Hello everyone, I am Abhinav Tyagi. Today I am going to describe about the applications of artificial intelligence. Firstly, I am going to describe about the artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a mechanism that enables machines to understand and implement from previous experiences. It is not only limited to the experience, but it is also equally records new inputs. The elementary job of artificial intelligence application is to achieve human-like precision by a computer. AI was termed in 1956, but AI applications did not have a great start to acceptance in the beginning. The father of artificial intelligence, John McCarthy, introduced the word to AI at Dartmouth Conference. Artificial intelligence has various applications in today's society. It is becoming essential for today's time because it can solve complex problems with an efficient way in multiple industries. Following are some sectors which have the applications of artificial intelligence. As you can see on the screen, there are some applications of artificial intelligence. First, artificial intelligence in astronomy. Artificial intelligence can be very useful to solve complex universe problems. Artificial intelligence technology can be helpful for understanding the universe, such as how it works origin. Healthcare. In the last 5 to 10 years, AI become more advantageous for the healthcare industry and going to have a scientific impact on this industry. Healthcare industries are applying artificial intelligence to make a better and faster diagnosis than humans. AI can help doctors with diagnosis and can inform when patients are worsening so that medical help can reach to the patient before hospitalization. AI in gaming. AI can be used for gaming purpose. The AI machines can play strategic games like chess, where the machines needs to think of a large number of possible places. Some examples of gaming like missionary cannibal problems, water jug problems, etc. AI in finance. AI and finance industries are the best matches for each other. The finance industry is implementing automation, chatbot, adaptive intelligence, algorithm trading, and machine learning into financial processes. AI in data security. The security of data is crucial for every company, and cyber attacks are growing very rapidly in the digital world. AI can be used to make your data more safe and secure. Some examples such as AEG bot, A12 platform used to determine software bug and cyber attacks in the better way. AI in social media. Social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat, and many more like Instagram contain billions of user profiles which need to be stored and managed a very efficient way. AI can organize and manage massive amount of data. AI can analyze lots of data to identify the latest trends, hashtag, and requirement of different users. AI in travel and transport. This is very best way to use the AI in travel and transport. AI is becoming highly demanding for travel industries. AI is capable of doing various travel related works such as from making travel arrangements to suggesting the hotels, flights, and best routes to the customers. AI in robotics. Artificial intelligence has a remarkable role in robotics. Usually, general robots are programmed such that they can perform some repetitive tasks. But with the help of artificial intelligence, we can create intelligent robots which can perform tasks with their own experiences without pre-programmed. Humanoid robots are best example for AI in robotics. Recently, the intelligent humanoid robot named as Erica and Sophia has been developed, which can talk and behave like humans. Artificial intelligence in entertainment. We are currently using some artificial intelligence based applications in our daily life with some entertainment services such as Netflix, Amazon. With the help of machine learning and artificial intelligence algorithms, these services show the recommendations for programs or shows or movies like that. Artificial intelligence in agriculture. Agriculture is an area which requires various resources, labor, money, and time for best results. Nowadays, agriculture is becoming digital, and artificial intelligence is emerging in the field. In this field, agriculture is applying artificial intelligence as agriculture robotics, solid and crop monitoring, predictive analysis. Artificial intelligence in agriculture can be very helpful for farmers. AI in e-commerce. Artificial intelligence is providing a competitive edge to the e-commerce industry, and it is becoming more demanding in the e-commerce businesses. Artificial intelligence is helping shoppers to discover associated products with recommended size, color, or even brand. Artificial intelligence in education. Artificial intelligence can automate grading so that the tutor can have more time to teach. Artificial intelligence chatbot can communicate with students as a teaching assistant. Artificial intelligence in the future can be work as a personal virtual tutor for a student, which will be accessible easily at any time at any place. Last but not least, artificial intelligence in automotive industry. Some automotive industries are using artificial intelligence to provide virtual assistant to their user for better performance, such as Tesla has introduced Tesla Bot and an intelligent virtual assistant. Various industries are currently working for developing self-driving cars, which can make your journey more safe and secure. These are some applications of AI. That's all. Thanks for watching.